How to change your Gmail username on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your Google account email address in just a few steps above. First, open the Google app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Manage your Google account. At this point, tap on the Personal Info tab at the top. From here, scroll down and tap Email. Following this, tap on your Google account email to open it. After that, tap Change Google account email and follow the prompts to set your new address. Keep in mind there are a few important things to know before changing your Gmail address. Once you change it, you cannot change it again for 12 months. You can also only change your Gmail address up to 3 times total for the lifetime of the account. Finally, this feature is being rolled out gradually, so if you don't see the option yet, your account or region may not be eligible for the update at this time. That's how you change your Gmail username on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more.